Hi. As a single mother, I have a question for the fathers that are active in their kids' life and for the single mothers out there that raise their kids every single day. Okay, just say that you have a child with an individual and he probably has like two, three kids before you guys actually have a child together. You guys are not together, but he is actually making more kids. And he's not even, he can hardly take care of the ones that he has. You're always the one trying to make sure that he's in the child life and everything like that. You always bring the child to him, but it seemed like, he's not trying to come see the child or help with anything, diapers, clothes, or anything of that sort. So would you put, you know, him on child support, or would you just keep doing everything yourself as a single parent, you know, or like, I mean, what can you do? This person is seems like he's not trying to get a job. He's not trying to change his lifestyle. He just wants to keep on having more kids. And I guess think they'll take care of themselves. I don't know. So would you actually put them on child support or would you not? So I would like to actually see those reviews, from actual fathers, single mothers. Just a question, just kind of wanted to know what people would actually do in a situation like that.